welcome to another episode of our foodie vlog. And today we're going to be featuring somewhere in Sungei Wang, which is located at the center heart of KL. So Sungei Wang is like around the Lot 10 Bukit Bintang. It's around Bukit Bintang area, and you simply cannot miss this mall because it's very centralized. And this is a bit of a rundown mall, but they have a lot of food options here. And one of them is where we are right now, called Mingle Cafe. So Mingle Cafe, as you can tell by the concept, Mingle Cafe, they like to have a very small table with one or two chairs, because that's how you actually mingle per se. Two people, you notice it's mostly couple mingling. Maybe that's why they call it Mingle. It's a Pak Tok Cafe lah, as I want to call it. But yeah, we ordered few dishes for today to review and just see how good is the food here, because it's actually a halal cafe and they offer Chinese food. So this is all pork free. And yep, usually when it comes to pork free Chinese food, I can be a bit skeptical, guys, not gonna lie, because there's a lot of difference in taste. So one way to find out whether if I am actually right, or maybe this has proved me wrong. So, yep, starting with the curry mee. Well, for one, I think the curry looks alright. So, maybe I might be wrong. So, yep. Ooh, okay. Alright, one way to find out is to just review them. Okay, it's actually not bad. But then again, curry is curry. Curry usually don't have pork inside one, so it's okay. It's passable. But actually, I do have to say the curry is creamy and it's very oily. That's what makes it tasty and good. So yeah, I would say this is 7 out of 10.
Yeah, it's quite impressive lah, without any pork.
Yeah, but then again, curry in general curry meat in general don't use pork. So yeah.
Maybe some they give the pork ball.
Yeah. They got lucky this time. 7 out of 10.
Their curry is famous. It's very good. It's very gao.
Yeah. You should have to say the broth is creamy and like I said, very oily and diluted. I mean, very creamy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very oily and creamy. Oh, they got fish ball.
And they got fish ball. They have the bean curd, which is the fuchok, the tofu pork.
Yeah.
So yep, I have to say it's pretty decent. Should I drop the straw? Okay. This is not pork wantan mee, guys, but it's chicken wantan mee. Now I'm a bit baffled here because wantan mee is a Chinese dish and they normally come with char siu at least. And so of course is the ultimate part of wantan mee. So this might be the lower tier ranking of wantan mee, which I hope is still possible. But then again, it's a halal area, so I can understand why they put chicken. Anyway, I hope it's good still, because usually for wantan mee, they usually like to put pork oil. This looks dry for one.
No, if dry, you can put some.
But the noodles still looks acceptable.
It's good.
I actually don't try to put the soup because it will ruin the taste of it. I would prefer it to be authentic with the sauce and all. Because FYI, putting soup is cheating.
Cheating.
That is not the actual taste of it, because you're tasting the soup more than the sauce.
It's very fragrant. It's like from here I can get the fragrance.
See, the cameraman is doing the talking more than me. He's trying to defend the statement that thinking this is good. But one way for me to find out, folks, is to eat. Do you trust a Johorian taste or do you trust a Iporian taste?
Malaysian taste.
I'm being biased, sorry. Okay, let's go and try this stuff. Oh, Oh, I taste the fried onion.
Yeah, it's very fragrant.
Possible. Only because they use onion, fried onion. So instead of using pork, they use fried onion to make up for the fragrant taste. It's clever and smart. They got lucky. But yeah, they are smart. Because actually onion oil is very fragrant.
Yeah.
So they use that in replacement for pork oil. So it makes up for the taste.
Yeah, you have to try the chicken.
Yeah, I'm going to try chicken. The chicken on the other hand looks hard. Oh yeah, you're supposed to eat with the green chili. I do not know why they call this green chili, but it's actually sour. So it's actually, yeah, they call it green chili,
Pickled
but
chili
it's
lah.
pickled chili.
Because
Yep. Alright. Possible.
yeah, it's totally okay.
Not the best, but possible. For chicken standard, it's good. Yeah, it's possible. Okay. Can go without the soup. It's good.
Yeah, you try the fried wantan, it's good as well.
Now, personally, folks, I'm not a fan of fried wantan because the authentic wantan meat comes with the soup wantan meat. But this one comes with the fried wantan. But depends on your preference. If you like fried wantan, some places will give you. But originally, they will normally provide with the wantan soup. Maybe because this is halal, so they provide like this. So the inner filling is chicken.
I think so. Or fish lah.
Okay. It's still good. No pork taste, but it's still good. I think it's chicken.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good, alright. Yeah. Passable.
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay.
Imagine they use pork. It's very good.
Yeah. I have to say for a halal standard, this is pretty good already. 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
What's missing is it's a bit dry. No pork. And one more is no char siu, which is also pork. And no siu yok. So 3 of these are pork. No siu yok, no char siu, no pork. 7 out of 10. The cameraman got lucky this time. Okay, this nice soup. Wantan soup. Nice. Of course, don't forget to start your day with nothing else than the coffee. So this coffee is a little different than a normal coffee because this is not just a kopitiam coffee, but they name it after their kopitiam, which is the Mingle coffee. So I'm not sure what's the difference in the taste. So one way to find out is to drink it. It looks very thick, by the way, so it should be good. This is coffee? I feel like I'm drinking hokkasai.
Oh, maybe lah. Maybe it's they add Milo lah. That's why it's different lah.
That explains the price difference. Instead of paying for 4, you're paying for 5 for this. They added extra. So I want to think this is a Chinese version of mocha, hokkasai. So hokkasai is coffee plus Milo. So in Western terms, you know, mocha is coffee and chocolate put together. So yeah, it's the same thing. It's very rich. I actually like this because I'm a fan of mocha. It's really good. So yep, that's our review. I would say it's actually pretty good for Malay standard. For Chinese, they would have failed. But yeah, If you are Malay, you can, if you're ever curious of how Chinese food taste is supposed to taste like, this is the closest sauce you can get to taste how Chinese taste tastes like without pork. So yeah, if someone like me enjoys pork so much, I can go without the, then I can say this is really good. It's really very good. So yeah. So if you happen to come to Sungei Wang, you can drop by this at level 3 at the corner lot here. So yeah, until next time, hope you enjoy this. Make sure to like and subscribe for more foodie reviews like this. And we'll see you in the next video.
I think I have prawn here also.
I ate the cockles. So much of cockles.
Very good.